Hello everyone, I'm Tora Adhikari. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you basics of algebra, a very fundamental concept of algebra. In algebra, like if we always deal with x and y, isn't it? And x is denoted as one quantity, y is denoted as another quantity. For example, if mother tells me to bring 1 kg of pulses, if I think x is pulses, so 1 kg of pulses means x. And if my mother tells me buy 3 kg of pulses, then x plus x plus x, that is 3x. Or we can do 1 into 3x, anything. So instead of telling so much, let us concentrate on the board work. Let me explain you. That will be much easier. So we are dealing with the concept of algebra. Let me first come to this one. We are adding x. X plus x plus x. 1x, 2x, 3x. Okay, we are adding. Answer is 3x. Right? Now we are doing simple subtraction. Simple subtraction. Okay, what is that? 3x minus 2x. See, both the terms are in x. Today I am explaining you the very simpler ones. Both the terms are in x. For example, both the terms are either pulses or rice, but same quantity. So I can deduct same quantity from same quantity. I have got 3 kg of rice. My mother tells me, give this 2 kg to your sister. So I can give, since they are of same term, same thing. So 3x minus 2x is x, right? In the same way, another simple sum, 5x minus 3x is 2x. Very simple. Simple subtraction. Nothing new. So just see the addition part once more. We just add. We are just adding. How many x's are there? We are adding and putting the number here and putting the x here. That is the addition method. Subtraction method is also very simple. Simple subtraction. But the quantities should be same. Both are x. Now, in other classes, I will, of course, introduce the second quantity. Now, it is just very fundamental concepts. So, again, I am telling you, it is same type, so I can subtract it. If the type is same, then easily the minus can be done. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Now, let us come to the multiplication. A general rule of multiplication is when we multiply in case of algebra, powers are added. Okay? Now, see. We have multiplied x. This is into. Cursive x is x. And capital X is multiplication symbol. Okay. So x into x into x into x. How many x? Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just add it up and make it 4. What is the general rule? In case of multiplication, powers are added. Always remember, in case of multiplication, powers are added. Let us do the next one. Y into y into y. Okay? So, in what is our rule? In multiplication, powers are added. So, what is the power? If nothing is given, then the power is 1. Always remember, if nothing is given, the power is 1. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Y to the power 3. Clear? Now, in case of division, what is the general rule? In division, powers are subtracted. Okay, subtracted. Okay, now see. X to the power 6 divided by x to the power 2. First thing is they are of same quantity. Okay. In algebra, if the quantity is the same, okay, then we can do addition, subtraction, anything, division, that can be done because they are of same type. I have got 6x rice. From there, I have to divide into 2x. It's not 2x, x to the power x. That can be done. But in division, we know the general rule is in division, powers are subtracted. Okay, now see, x to the power 6. How do we pronounce it? X to the power 6 divided by x to the power 2. So the base is same. this in case here also in multiplication powers are added, but the base must be same. If the base is same, the powers are added. Here also, if the base is same, the powers can be subtracted. So what is it? See, x to the power 6 divided by x to the power 2. So base is same. X, I am keep writing here x. 6 minus 2, that is 4. X to the power 4. Have you understood? Children, have you understood? X to the power 4. So this is the answer. Same sum I am doing in alternate method. Just see. X to the power 6. It means x is 6 times. In case of multiplication, we use, instead of multiplication symbol, we use dot also. So x to the power 6. There should be 6 x's. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by. So we usually write at the down, isn't it? So x to the power 2. Okay, so simple division. Now see, I'm cutting off this x with this x. In division we can do this x with this x. So what is remaining? Just see, x to the power 4. So your answer is x to the power 4. Now you see the same sums I have done in 2 ways. I think the first method is easier. You don't have to do so much of work. If the bases are same, powers are subtracted. This you have to remember. Again, a simple one, I have done it for you. Y to the power 3 divided by y. Just see, I have written y into y into y to the power 3, and in the lower portion I have written y. So just y cancels here, y to the power 2 remains. Clear, everyone? Acha. Another very important thing is, which I want to say is, like you see this one. If nothing is written, it means it is having the power 1. Clear, everyone? If, another thing I want to write, which I have not written here, just remember it. X to the power, I'm so sorry. X to the power 0 is equal to 1. Y to the power 0 is equal to 1. Z to the power 0 is equal to 1. It means anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. It's a very, very important concept in algebra. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So these are the simple things which I have discussed today. Just a minute, I'll just see once. Yeah, these are the very simple things which I have discussed today. Another important thing which I would like here to mention is, I'm just doing it here. Just see it. Minus 1, just see. Minus 1 into minus 1, isn't it? What I can write here? Minus 1 to the power 2. 2 times minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, which becomes plus 1. Always remember, if this number is even, minus 1 to the power any even numbers, let me take to the power 10, the answer is plus 1. If minus 1 to the power any even numbers, the answer will be in plus 1. But if minus 1 to the power 3 means it's an odd number, how do we do this? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So my answer is minus 1. Right? So in case of minus 1, if it is odd number, it is to the power odd number, the answer will be minus 1. Am I clear? So if I write, just see, if I write minus 1 to the power 15, this is one sum, and minus 1 to the power 13, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Just see, what will be the answer? Minus 1 to the power 15. Okay? It's an odd number. 15 is an odd number. Always the answer will be minus 1. Answer will be minus 1. Here in the next sum, Here you see minus 1 to the power 13, again odd number. So the answer will be, answer will be minus 1. But if I write minus 1 to the power 8, answer is plus 1. If I write minus 1 to the power 20, answer is plus 1. Just see this one. This is a very important concept which is needed in algebra. Minus 1 to the power any odd number, the answer is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power any even number is always plus 1. And again I will come to this concept. Anything to the power 0 is 1. X to the power 0, 1. Y to the power 0, 1. Z to the power 0, 1. I hope whatever little bit of concept I have tried to give all of you, my YouTube viewers as well as my students, I hope you have understood. I would always like all the children to comment and ask me if there is any problem anywhere. I will try to clear out. In the comment box, if you write, I will surely try to clear out. And if in the class any child asks me any question, of course they know themselves that I do not proceed unless I clear my problems with my children. Okay? So I hope this point is very clear to you. If you have liked this way of teaching, please do like, share with your friends and relatives of classes 5 and 6. It will be very helpful for them. And write in the comment box, subscribe the channel if yet you have not done. Hope to meet you very soon with something new. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Bye bye, friends. Hello everyone, I'm Tora Adhikari. Welcome back to my channel. Hope my YouTube viewers are in the best of the health and spirit. Today I'm going to explain the number line, which is usually in class 5 and 6, and the positive numbers and the negative numbers of the number line. So let's start. Okay, so today we are going to deal with the topic number line. Here I have drawn the number line. Just see, this is 0. These are the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And these are the positive numbers are at the right hand side of the number line and negative numbers are on the left hand side of the number line. Now, if I tell any of you that write the numbers between, just see, minus 3 and, wait a minute, minus 3 and plus 2. Just see what are the numbers between minus 3 and plus 2. Just see, this is minus 3. After minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So we are going to write like that only. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. These are the numbers between minus 3 and plus 2. Okay. So the smallest number here is minus 3. Then bigger than that is minus 2. Then minus 1. Then 0. Always remember, 0 is greater than any negative numbers. Always remember. And positive numbers are all greater than 0. These are the few things we must learn. Now, this is actually minus 2 to plus 2, minus 3 to plus 2. This is actually, I have arranged it in ascending manner. What is the meaning of ascending manner? Ascending. Wait a minute, I can't see actually. Ascending order. O-R-D-E-R. Ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to the biggest. Right? So, what is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means from smallest, from smaller number to bigger number. That is the meaning of ascending order. Okay? If the same thing I will do in descending order, then what I have to do? Descending order means the highest number will come first. So in the same way, I am talking about this particular -3 to -2. So if I write in descending order, now I am writing in descending order. Just see. Descending order. What's the meaning of descending order? Big number, big to small. Okay, big to small. So descending order means big to small. So I will take the same number line, same problem. So in descending order, out of this -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Out of this, which is the biggest number? 2. So I'll start with the like this. Highest number first. Then comes +1. Then comes 0. Okay. Then comes -1. Then comes -2. Then comes -3. Just see. This is the descending order. Just the opposite of ascending order. If you look very carefully, just see it's just the opposite of ascending order. In one number line only, this is one type of question which we usually get, ascending order to descending order, or write the numbers. I have made you write from -3 to +2. It can be anything, -5 to 0. It can be -5 to +5. Always remember, in case of negative numbers, remember this. As you go from -1 to -2 to -3 to -4, -5, -6, the numbers are decreasing in order. In their values, the numbers are decreasing. Okay. And on the right hand side, it is increasing. Another type of question which usually comes is, just see, another type of question comes greater than or, greater than or lesser than. Okay. Greater than or lesser than. If I take, just see, if I take -3 dash +3, which is the bigger number? +3. Right? Just see. Okay. If I take -3 and 0, which is the bigger number? Just see. -3 and 0. -3, -2, -1, then comes the 0. As we move right hand side, the number value increases. So which is greater here? 0. As I told you, 0 is greater than any negative number. This you have to remember. 0 is greater than any negative number. Right? Acha. Now, if I tell you, just see. If I tell you -3 dash, -5 dash -3, which is the greater number? Is it -5 or -3? Which is the greater number? -3. Always remember that when two negative values are given, numerically the number which is less is greater. Why? Let us look at the number line. Just look at the number line. See which is greater? 0, -1, -2, -3. -3 is greater. -4, -5. -5 is much lesser than -3. Isn't it? So this is another type of question which usually comes. Greater than, lesser than, equal to. If I say -2 dash -2, what will I put? Equal to. But if I say +2 and -2, which is greater? +2 is greater. Clear? Clear, everyone? Is it clear? This is the concept of number line. If you want, I can again show you. This is the number line. 0 to right hand side, positive numbers. 0 to left hand side, negative numbers. As we go to negative numbers, its value decreases. As we go to positive numbers in the right hand side, its value increases. And other than that, you might get questions in class 5 or 6 Write the numbers between any negative number and positive number. If 0 is in the middle, then you should write 0. Okay? 0 is greater than any negative number. We have to remember it. And other question which comes is arrange in ascending order or arrange in descending order. Or another question which comes is greater than, lesser than, equal to. Like that, the number usually comes. Hope you have understood the number line and the concept of positive numbers and negative numbers. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending means always smaller to big. Descending means from bigger to small numbers. And usually, which question which comes in these topics is greater than, lesser than. These are the questions. Hope you have liked. If you have understood and liked my video, please write something on the comment box so that I can understand that you people have understood it. If any problem, you can ask me in the comment box also. And for my children, I can say, for my school children, they can ask me in the school also. Thank you. Very soon I will come with some another small study video. Bye-bye.